Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to rejoin a meeting if you were removed by the host into Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to join a meeting where you were removed, just simply open your Chrome browser and open the site of zoom.us into there, and after that just simply go to the settings option into here, and into these settings you will find so many interesting options. Now you just simply have to come into this meeting section and scroll down until you see the option of allow removed participants to rejoin option just below the meeting reactions option. You just simply have to click into this toggle for allow removed participants to rejoin the meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.